Hello, hi. I'm back before you again. All right. So first part of the reaction, I have tincture iodine. Shown this to you before in an experiment. Tincture iodine and iodine. Iodine solution is 5%. So 5% of the solution is iodine, and I have about 3.3% potassium iodide, 70% ethanol, and I am going to be using a catalyst adding to me. I have to make the oxo acid HiO3, which when reacted with oxygen from the cycle pump turns into iodine pentoxide or an iodine tetroxide. Iodine pentoxide is a white crystalline. HiO3 is also a white crystalline solid. Iodine pentoxide is a more like a yellow crystalline solid. This is what my book. Oh, I'm so. This is Cotton and Wilkinson says. Inorganic Chemistry by Cotton and Wilkinson. No idea where the top cover is. Albert Cotton, Texas A&M. I had always thought he was British. Geoffrey Wilkinson, University of London, England, Imperial College of Science and Technology. Yeah. So oxoacid is a white crystalline solid. The internet told me HiO3. And now this is the reaction to second part of the reaction is 2HiO3. You have 2,4O, and so you get I2O5 plus H2O. So iodine pentoxide, and I2O4 is a yellow solid, and I2O5 is I409, I2O7. Um, so we'll hope. I'm going to hope that I2O4 happens. All right. So I'm going to pump in less of oxygen. So control the oxygen. Exercise control. So the oxygen I refer. So oxygen I refer to. This is Schwinn Air Driver 1000 pump. It's vintage, so they don't have the exact data on the internet. But a minimal level. I'm going to try to see if I can measure first. So first, this is a gauge, pressure gauge. So let's see. So you have to stand like this, and but this is. Came out. So it came out a little bit. So that's this came out to here, which is about 3 pounds. 3 pounds. So that's close to 3 pounds. This is 3 psi. 3 pounds. So this is about 3 pounds. This moved a little. It came out to here. So it's roughly 3 pounds. So let me just write that down. So one stroke. So periodically, I'm going to be seeing reaction. The reactant concentration, 3 pounds of air, and of course you have your 30%, 70%, and the 78% and 22% is 70, and so that has to be all accounted for, and then the reaction so I'm going to be doing one stroke, seeing if I'm getting a solid, shaking solid, otherwise that way. So first part First part is to make the oxo acid HiO3. So I will take, there's my measuring cup. Here are my measuring cups. I have a beaker here and some water. So let me just, so first gloves, safety glasses, exhaust. Exhaust is good. I need my counter space here. So some, the micropipette tray I showed you with with um, actually boiling these would be good. Then I would be eliminating ethanol, I thought. But then iodine also vaporizes. It's a sublime solid, or as a liquid, it sublimates. So that wouldn't be smart. So let me see. HiO3. So I have to add, let me first add the enzyme. First add the enzyme. Oh, but then, it could react with the ethanol, hunting the enzyme. Normally, iodine in ethanol does not react. It's in solution. So maybe not a smart move. First, so we'll take it. White crystalline solid. Crystalline solid. So, it's nice for a hospital. So I have taken almost 1 tablespoon. Almost 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of iodine. 1 tablespoon of iodine. But which is 5% only. I take 1% Ki and 70% C2H5OH. Okay, so this is going to go into the beaker. I'm going to take there's an edge in the HI, there's no edge. So water, so twice the amount of water, so 2 tablespoonfuls. So it became a darker. No, nothing gonna happen. No reaction. Became a liquid. So hydrolase enzyme. So I'm going to add quite a bit of enzyme. Oh, there's no spoon. Spoon. So I'll add a teaspoon of enzyme, twice the amount of water. So stir, 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 stir. It's becoming a bit black. Start becoming, what did it become? More enzyme is, or some crystalline solid. Crystalline solid. Some crystals are formed. They look white. They look white. I'm scared of the computer, right? Oh, this is happening. Cooking. White crystalline solid. I thought I would pump it here, the air, but it might be best to pump it in there itself. But, or all right, we just shaking would be easier. White crystalline solid. We're gonna change this, move this to here. Oh, there is, see, this, this crystalline solid and white crystals. So I did make HiO3. Okay. But now, just in case it's dangerous, you see. So what else? So we just, well, okay. So 2 tablespoonfuls of water. 2 tablespoons of water. Remember, the enzyme was dissolved. It's not the enzyme. Otherwise, enzyme is not crystal. It's a powder. Enzyme's a powder. Amylase is a powder. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, the right way to pump the cycle, use the pump, is to. Okay, so 1 stroke. All right, medium high. Okay. Let's see what's happening. One stroke, nothing happened. Nothing happened. 2 strokes. So I'm looking for either a white crystalline solid. I2O4 is a yellow crystalline solid. So I2HIO3 plus 4O or 2 4Os. 2 4Os. Oxygen atoms. So we will just see if not happening. So what else could have happened? So taking density checks. I thought I was looking for an endpoint, just a white crystalline solid or a yellow crystalline solid. More oxygen. So I have put in until now. See vapors. It's a black solid. What is it? Iodine. It's a black solid. Iodine is a no white solid. So what could have gone wrong? All right. I'm going to submit this but this is an ingenious way, don't you think? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it's not an airtight reaction. You need all those round bottom flasks and the inlet valve and that sort of thing. This is just a improvised home experiment. Black solid, black solid. I'm getting back. Iodine. Remember, there's alcohol in here. So I did not make iodine pentoxide or iodine tetroxide, but I made some. I made the oxo acid HiO3. This enzyme. Something else is happening. Stiff it. Amylases hydrolyze are hydrolases. So it starts hydrolysis. Oh, there's amylase in. So it's hydrolyzing, which means that the more of potassium hydroxide. What color is potassium hydroxide? I'm going to take this off. Just relax for a bit. Color is potassium hydroxide. What color is potassium hydroxide? I forgot I had enzyme in. Color is KOH. Oh, this is Kohinoor. Potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide. Well, they're all white solids. They're all white solids. We let the reaction sit. Let the reaction sit. Yeah, I'll report back to you later. Another time. Some more time. So I did not make iodine tetroxide or iodine pentoxide, but there was enzyme in there. So you see, enzymes make life simpler, but also more complicated. So I shall be saying that I made HiO3, the first part. So that was an enzymatic reaction. So that was Michaelis-Menten kinetics. But this could also, with air, have resulted in a Michaelis-Menten reaction. So what's happening? Anything happening? Bubbling? So water. So it could be iodine. Is there an iodine hydroxide? It's difficult to split water actually, unless you do electrolysis. So iodine hydroxide? Huh. Halogen hydroxide? Iodine hydroxide? There's so there are oxo acids H5IO6, H4I2O9. I made more oxo acids, I think. Made more oxo acids. Yeah, I made more oxo acids. So potentials for reactions of the halogens with H2O and 2E, not very reactive, but I touched it with an enzyme, so it became reactive. Yeah, not very reactive, 0.29 volts only, which is, joules per volt, directly. So this morning I was doing some other piece of research, all Einstein stuff, two things in the realm of theory of relativity, etc. Last night, this morning, and late into last night. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Deprived of sleep, but it's all a go. It's research. I'm blowing. I'm blowing with all this research. Signing up, Gayatri Sitaram. Thank you.